Hey everyone, Erica here, and today we are going to be making New York Times very popular no-knead bread recipe. So this is a recipe that has been reviewed by over 15,000 people, and it's got a 4.5 or 4.8 star rating out of 5. The recipe is very basic. Like the name itself, you don't need to knead the bread, so all you do is mix all of the ingredients in together into a bowl, and you let it proof and then pop it into the oven. So I've made no knead bread before in the past, but I've always ended up kneading it. So I guess it kind of defeated the purpose. So today I actually want to test out the recipe and follow it step by step. So let's get started and see what happens. So the bread turned out amazing. As you can see from the exterior, we got a really nice brownish color. I might have floured the base of the Pyrex bowl a little bit too much. As you can see, there's quite a bit of flour here on the side, but that should be fine. All you have to do is just brush it off when you're eating it. Overall, it's got quite a nice structure to it. So the most important thing now is taste test. Let's see how this bread tastes. This is so good. So the crust on the outside is super crunchy, just the way that I like my bread. And the inside is super moist. I don't even think you need to put anything on this. This is so good on its own. I could eat this all day. Final verdict. This bread is amazing and you guys definitely have to try it. There's a reason why this is one of New York Times' most popular recipe. It's so easy and it requires absolutely no effort at all, and you don't need any sort of technique to make this bread. This is probably the best bread recipe to start for beginners. If you're a first-time bread maker, just follow the instructions step by step and I'm sure you'll get the same results that I did. I will definitely be following the instructions from now on so that I can get the same results and taste. Let me know in the comments below how yours turned out. I would love to hear about it. Thank you so much for joining me today and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!